Here's how you can blur and track an object in Davinci Resolve. I have a video of me playing Forza Horizon 5, and I'm going to blur out the license plate of the car. Now, if you run into the problem of your blur not working, it's because Davinci adds the blur to the top video track, and so if the video you want to add a blur to is below any other video tracks, you need to disable the video tracks above it in order for the blur to work. For me, I only have one video track above the one I'm working on, so I disable video track 2. The next step is to click on the color tab at the bottom of the editor, and scroll all the way to the beginning of where you want to start your blur effect. Now you'll want to select the icon that says Window. This will show a list of shapes that you can use to make your blur. I chose the rectangle. Now you can see the shape being added over your video in the preview, and you can scale it using the selection points on the borders of the shape. After scaling it to what you want to blur out, you need to select on the icon that says Blur. Here you'll see a blur setting called Radius. Turn this setting up until you get your desired blur strength. Now, in order to track the license plate moving and blur it out, we need to select the tracker icon. Then we need to click on the play button that says Track Forward. This will begin tracking the object in the video. Once it's done tracking, you can go back to the Blur tab to adjust the blur settings. I am ReaperDigital. I hope this video helps, and thank you all for watching.